Hey guys, so I've been looking for an R53, possibly a project one, kind of fix up and get back running. Want to make it my daily driver because I have a decent commute out to work every day. So today we are starting the hunt and seeing one. So let's go! Okay, so we got here, the car was super nice, and we hooked it up to our truck and started it, which is a good sign. So it is the alternator like he was saying. So we're really excited, and we got this baby on the trailer. Alrighty, so we've got this baby home, and we're going to start working on the paint, working on the plastics, get it really cleaned up on the outside, and then start working on oil change, coolant flush, you know, get everything so that we can get her running. Alrighty, so we've been grinding hard on these headlights and on the paint. So I thought I'd do one headlight and leave the other how it was so you can see a difference. So this is the original, what it looked like when we got it. Very yellow, can't see through it too much. And then this is after a little bit of work. We got it pretty clear. All the yellow's gone, and I'm gonna put a little more work into it, see if we can get a little bit clearer. And the paint's looking a lot better. We have a couple more coats to go, I think.